Welcome to this quick tour of ILSpy. What you see here is the main screen of ILSpy right after the initial start. As you can see, the tree to the left is populated with a set of default assemblies, including the ILSpy executable itself. Now let's see what ILSpy can do for you. First, let's drill down into ILSpy itself. Note that aside from the types, you also see resources here, and those resources can be saved out to disk. However, more interesting will be the types for you. Let's click into the ILSpy namespace and pick the first one, the About page. By default, the entire class will be decompiled. However, you can also drill down into the methods and the properties and have those decompiled for you. Now, here you see the source code. The text editor allows you to select and to copy to the clipboard, as well as, when you select an entire class, go to File, Save Code, and save it out to disk. Now, in the File menu, you also get to load assemblies from the disk, or to open assemblies from the global assembly cache. So, the assembly cache takes a bit to populate for the very first time. However, let's pick one of those and say Open. It is added to the tree to the left on the bottom, and you can also drill down into the classes. Now I want to show you some of the more advanced features in ILSpy. It allows you to navigate to base classes, it allows you to navigate to members, to interfaces, etc. So now let's go and pick here the attribute, and as you can see, you're taken to the system namespace to the attribute class. If you want to go back, simply use the back button in the toolbar. Now, not always will you know where to look for stuff. That's why there is a search feature, and I'll pick enumerator here, and this will trim down the tree to the left hand side and only show namespaces and assemblies that have something to do with enumerator. So for example, system security, we have the permission set enumerator. So this is a substring text search at the moment, but it's working fine for these purposes. That's about what you can do with ILSpy today, and we'll provide additional feature videos in the future once new features are being added.